Friends, welcome back to part 3. In this part, I cover the Rama temple and Bareshwara temple at Sirpur. This is the Rama temple. This is just 100 meters from Lakshman temple. This is in a very broken shape. This is a 7th century old temple and it is also enclosed in a beautiful compound and it's on the sides of a lake. It's really beautiful. The entire area is very beautiful. It's hardly 100 meters, just opposite to the Lakshman temple. Sri Rama temple is situated less than 100 meters southeast of Lakshmana temple, but it is almost entirely in ruins. The Rama temple site, however, does preserve the foundation outline of several shrines as well as brick stub of the lower part of the original Sri Rama temple. Sri Rama temple dedicated to Sri Vishnu is situated opposite the Sri Lakshmana temple. The brick-built temple is now in complete ruins. The east-facing Sri Rama temple is one of the twin temples constructed over a raised platform built of dressed stones. The temple represents an early example of the regional tradition of temples of South Kosala having stilted plan for construction. Remnants of only one of the twin temples is surviving, whereas the other one can be seen in plan only. The original temple consisted of mandapam and sanctum. The walls of sanctum, antarala, and pillared mandapam remains. The roof and the tower over the sanctum was completely lost forever. Few broken idols are housed in mandapam. The mandapa and other features of Rama temple were destroyed long ago according to Donald Stadner, and the Rama temple site is likely to be from around 600 CE. This is one of the earliest star-shaped Jagati platform temple in central India. It may have served as a prototype practice temple before Sirpur architects of the 7th century built much grander stellate principal Hindu temples in Kharod, Palari and Rajim. ये अगला मंदिर है, यहाँ पर 200 मीटर दूर होगा लक्ष्मण टेम्पल से बालेश्वर महादेव मंदिर समूह। इसमें भी हम अपने अंदर जाएंगे। ये यहाँ पे चौथा मंदिर जो हम देख रहे हैं। ये देखिए, ये बहुत ही स्कैटर्ड मॉन्यूमेंट है जो बालेश्वर है, पूरा चारों तरफ स्कैटर्ड है ये। यहाँ पे पुराने सब पिलर्स वगैरह जो टूटे हुए हैं सब यहाँ पे रखे हुए हैं इस तरह से। बीच में एक शिवलिंग भी है, पिलर्स भी है। Baleshwar Mahadev Temples Group is a Shiva temple about 50 meters or 160 feet high northwest of Tivar Dev Monument across the Sirpur Road. It consists of several temples. For 3 Shiva temples excavated a circumambulatory Jagati in the form of a high-rise platform similar to Lakshmana temple survives. For another only the foundation is visible. The cluster was built by Shaiva king Shivagupta Balarjuna and is dated to the mid-8th century. 2 of the temples are located side by side, and unlike most Sirpur temples, these open to the west. Both have a mantapa and antarala and have a star-shaped garbhagriha made out of bricks and stone. The stellate sanctum is formed out of 2 squares, one rotated by 45 degrees. Some of the artwork discovered during excavations are displayed, and these show women and couples standing dressed up in 8th century attire. The sanctum has Shivlinga made from marble. The Baleshwar Mahadev temple shows foundation and plinth layouts of the several temples. The site has yielded numerous statues, predominantly Hindu gods, goddesses, reliefs, pillars, temple parts and Shivalinga. The temple probably is dedicated to the Bal avatar of Bhagwan Shiva. ये बालेश्वर के ठीक थोड़ा ऑपोजिट में थोड़ा सा आगे तीवर देव विहार है। अब हम उसमें जा रहे हैं। ये देखिए ठीक उसके ऑपोजिट में है। ये बुद्धिस्ट है, बुद्धिस्ट प्लेस है। यहाँ पे मोनेस्ट्रीज है। ये मोनेस्ट्री और संग्रहालय है, मोनेस्ट्री एंड म्यूजियम। और यहीं पे दूसरी तरफ एक शिव टेम्पल भी है, शिव मंदिर भी है, जो अभी हम जाएंगे थोड़ा सा चल के। यहाँ पे वीडियोग्राफी वैसे तो अलाउड नहीं है, लेकिन मैं कर रहा हूँ ताकि आप लोगों को थोड़ी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाए। ये तीवर देव जो है ये बहुत बड़े एरिया में है, काफ़ी बड़े एरिया में ये स्कैटर्ड है। आप देख सकते हैं कितना दूर दूर तक। वहाँ दूर में एक मॉन्यूमेंट है बुद्धिस्ट। मुझे अभी तक शिव मंदिर तो यहाँ पे मिला नहीं, लेकिन मोनेस्ट्री और स्तूप मिले हैं। मेरे ख्याल से ये इसी को शिव मंदिर बोल रहे होंगे। देखिए लेकिन मैं कंफर्म नहीं हूँ। चलिए आगे चल के देखते हैं। या फिर यही शिव मंदिर तो नहीं है, शायद लग रहा है, देखते हैं। हाँ यही शिव मंदिर है। यहाँ पे वो शिव जी की मूर्ति है। नहीं ये तो गौतम बुद्ध है। नहीं ये भी शिव मंदिर नहीं है। I end part 3 here. For the last part, we will cover the remaining temples of Sirpur complex. Till then, do take care of yourselves and bye for now.